Hello children, come back to our textbook of English. Okay, take the page number 56. From the page number 56, what is in here? Vocabulary part. Okay, yesterday what I have explained, I have explained about the fill in the blanks of first bit. Now we are going to the second bit. What is consist of? It consists of the opposites. Yes, sir. See here. I will read here. Second bit is given. Question. Pick out the opposites for the following words from the story. Okay. Pick out the opposites for the following words. Some words are given. 1 to 6 words are given. We should have to pick from the story and use them in your own sentences. You should have to write 6 sentences based on these opposite words. Got children? Now. First one is given here. What is the first one here? In the page number 56, the first one is the serious. So what we should have to do? We should have to find the opposite word of the serious. Second one is given. Scare. S-C-A-R-E. Scare is given, children. Okay. Second one. Finish. Third one. Idle. I-D-L-E. Idle. Fourth one is agree. A-G-R-E-E. Agree. Fifth one is create. C-R-E-A-T-E. Create. Sixth one is knowingly. Knowingly. K-N-O-W-I-N-G-L-Y. Knowingly. K is silent in this word. Now, shall we find the opposite word for the 6 words? Yes. So children, these words opposites are given in the textbook. Okay, if you read the lesson, you will find, or else not. I will explain you some opposite words based on these words only. Okay. Now, first one is serious. What is the meaning of serious? Serious means what? What the serious means? You are doing the work very seriously, not disturbing. No one should disturb. Serious work. Not involving in other activities. Seriously. So opposite of serious we should have to write down. Okay. Now serious. Opposite of serious is the trivial. T-R-I-V-A-L. Trivial also we can tell. T-R-I-V-A-L. Trivial. Yes. Now for this opposite word, serious opposite trivial. Serious opposite trivial. For this trivial, you should have to form one sentence. What you should have to form? You should have to form one sentence. Can you tell me one sentence? Yes. If you find the textbook, read the textbook. Based on this trivial or trivial, you can write one sentence. Next one. Next one is second one. Scare. S-C-A-R-E. Scare. Say scare. The meaning, the opposite of scare is the abundant. Abundant. There is a scarcity of water. Scarcity means less water. Meaning of scare is less. Only little. Okay, you can tell little also. Less amount. Meaning of opposite of less is more. Meaning opposite of scare is abundant. Opposite of scarce is abundant. Abundant means more. Understood? The meaning, the opposite of scarce is abundant. A-B-U-N-D-A-N-T. Now you should form one sentence based on the abundant. Yes, you can tell. I have an abundant of rice. I have abundant scarcity of water also. Meaning opposite of scarcity is abundant. Yes. Now goes to the third one. Third one is idle. I-D-L-E. Idle means single. Alone. Single also you can tell. Alone also you can tell. Idle is nothing but single or alone. Now what is the opposite of idle? The opposite of idle is busy. Singly. You are doing the work singly. Yes. Single or alone. Opposite of idle is busy. B-U-S-Y. Busy. Next, fourth one. Agree. I am agreeing to go to the school of this academic year. I am agreeing to go to the total year of this. I am agreeing to go to the school of this total year. Like that also. I am agreeing. Agree. Opposite is refuse. I am refusing to go to the school. I don't want to study. For example, everybody wants to study and everybody must study, your children. So here I have told only the example. Agree. Opposite is refuse. Agreeing. Refusing. Next, go to the fifth one. Create. I have created one model on science fair. I have created. Create, making, forming. Create. The meaning of create is making, forming. Okay. What is the opposite of making, forming? Opposite? Destroying. We are destroying. Your brother has prepared a model on the science fair. Yes. What you will do? You want to go and do something to that model. You are going and just destroying the model. Means what the opposite of create is your brother has created the model and you are destroying. Create, destroy. So making, destroying. Forming, destroying. Yes, got children? Now, sixth one is knowingly. Knowingly, some children are making some elders are making mistakes. Some elders are making the mistakes knowingly. Knowingly they are making the mistake. How? Example, your father or somebody on the road who are roaming, he will be smoking. He will be smoking on the road. He knows that by smoking the smoking is injurious to health, so he knows, but also is smoking means he is doing one mistake. What is that mistake? He is doing the mistake knowingly by smoking. Yes or no? Knowingly. Unknowingly, unexpectedly. The opposite of knowingly is unknowingly. Unknowingly, I have done the mistake while writing the exam. Unknowingly, I have done the mistake while I am eating. Like that. So the opposites of serious. The first one, serious, is trivial. Second one is scarce, abundant. Third one is idle. Opposite, busy. Next, agree. Agree opposite is refuse. Fourth one is the create. Opposite is destroy. Knowingly. Sixth one is knowingly. The opposite of knowingly is unknowingly. Got children? Okay. Now goes to the third bit now. 56 page number, third bit. Look at the underlined words in the following sentence. Look at the following words in the following sentence taken from the text. Taken from the text. So these sentences are taken from the text. Shall we read now? Yes, I will start reading. Everybody should see in your textbook carefully. He was a round little man with a red face. He was a round little man with a red face. He was a round little man with a red face. See, twice and thrice I have read. You should see in the textbook carefully what sir is reading from the textbook. Okay. So again, once I am repeating here, he was a round little man with a red face. Round little man. Okay, man with a red face. Color. Red is the name of the color. So red face. As you can see, there are two adjectives that precede the noun. What is the noun here? Man. In the inverted comma, single inverted comma, man he has given. You can see there are two adjectives in this sentence. The underlined part, round little man is there, no? The underlined part is in that underlined part two adjectives are present and one noun is present. What are those adjectives? Let us see. The adjectives round and little. What is that? Round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Yes children? Round and little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Round and little. Round and little are the adjectives. Okay. Appear in a certain order. They have appeared in certain order. Yes. Now the adjective little refer to the size. Everybody knows. Okay. Little means it is the size. Next one. And round indicates the shape. Round what indicating here? Round. Shape of the material, shape of the thing, round. Yes or no? Now, man is, everybody knows, man is the noun form. Think of two adjectives of size and shape for the following adjectives and put them before the nouns. Okay, he has given the nouns in the page number 57. Okay, last before the grammar part. Before the grammar part, everybody is seeing now here. Two dashes are present and one noun form is given. Noun is given here. We should have to fill the two. We should have to fill the two dashes using the two adjectives. One is the one adjective of size or shape. Okay, whatever it may be. So first one, shall we go for the first one here? I have written on the blackboard first dash and the second dash. Don't write before I am teaching here. Okay, first one, see here, dash dash table. Dash dash table. I have written answer here, a small round table. How the table is? A small round table. A small round table. Got children? A small and the round. Both of them are what here? Adjectives. How the table is? How the adjective? What the meaning of adjective? What is the definition of adjective? Adjective is the word which qualifies a noun. Here, table is the noun. Name of the thing here. Table is the name of the thing which qualifying a noun. Yes or no? Table is the noun. How the table is? Adjective word comes here. Both adjectives are there. A small round table. A small is the size. How is the table? Okay. Small is the size. Round, shape. Got children here? Small is the size. Round is the shape. How the what is the shape of the table? Small round shape. Got children? Now, second one. Dash dash pencil. Dash dash pencil. A long pointed pencil. What is the length of the pencil? It is very long. Not even the 10 centimeters. Okay. 15. Below 15 centimeters. Okay. Long pencil. Yes. A long pencil. A long pointed pencil. Pointed pencil is the sharp one and it is the good pointed. So it is a long indicates the size and the pointed will indicate the shape. Next one, dash dash room. Dash dash room. Everybody, all are coming to the school and sitting in the room now. Now you explain children how the room is. How the room is. How the classroom is. The room. See here. A long. Sorry, finish now. Third one now. A big square room. How the room is? Everybody knows in our class a room is there. How many students can sit? More than 50-60 students can sit in our class. Yes or no? How the class is? A big square. Yes? It is rectangular shape our classroom. No, it is a square shape. So a big square room. Or you can add also classroom also. But room means not only classroom. Our bedroom, kitchen room, whatever it may be. Yes. Next one. Fourth one goes to the dash dash chapati. Everybody knows the chapati. In daily, in breakfast or lunch, you will eat the chapatis. Yes. So how the chapati here qualifying the noun. Chapati is the name of the eatable thing. Yes sir, children. See, eatable thing. Name of the eatable thing. Chapati. So how the chapati is? The chapati is a small. Yes sir. Small round. Yes or no? A small round chapati. A small round chapati. Fourth one. Got? Now goes to the fifth one. Dash dash cat. Dash dash cat. So how the cat is here? Qualifying the cat here. How the cat is? The cat is a thin. You know thin no? Thin one, not fat one. A thin, big cat. A thin, it is a very, the cat is very big. A thin, big cat. A thin, big cat. Got children? So, the first one is a small, round table. A long, pointed pencil. A big, square room. A small, round chapati. A thin, big cat. Got children? So here it is our third bit from the vocabulary part.